What are you doing, Ella?
Hey, Ella.
Ella.
Hey, look. Don't go down that stair. Don't go down the basement stairs. You will fall down there. Yeah, hey, Mom. We need to start putting a gate right there.
We need to what?
We need to start being a gate right there.
Okay, boss. Thank you.
Do you see my picture?
Say Ella, hi. Say Ella, how old are you? Say I'm 9 months, almost. And I'm trying to climb the stairs. And Riley's the crazy puppy that you'll probably not remember when you're older.
Take a picture of
And
me.
there's Crazy Saki.
Take a picture.
And there's your brother. Oh my. Look what you got yourself into.
I can climb up easily.
Well, of course you can. You're not a baby.
Whoa.